So I'm down in the basement. We are looking at a old air conditioning coil. I'll get the size of the air conditioner when I look at the AC outside. But as you can see, we've got a newer furnace. It is a Goodman furnace, and on top of our coil, we've got a makeshift supply plenum in which our coil, the bottom of our coil that sits down here, and our coil actually sits up inside our supply trunk here. So the coil is probably this high up in our supply trunk. So in taking this out, we're going to take everything out and set our coil directly on top of our furnace. The furnace is a C-width furnace, so it's 21 inches wide. Now, the tricky part is going to be making our connection to the existing ductwork, because this initial piece of sheet metal that they forced this coil into, where the coil clearly doesn't fit, wasn't designed to be in this piece of sheet metal, but this is the same piece of sheet metal as you wrap around over here that connects all the way up to the top, and we have our two supply trunks coming out each side. So what we are going to do is we're going to make our coil is going to sit on top, and the top of our coil is probably going to be right about this height, and then we need to make a transition to our ductwork. I'm going to get the dimensions of the piece of the duct that we're going to try to make beforehand that'll fit onto our existing supply. But I'm going to back it up. And obviously we're going to have to take that humidifier off as well. Our refrigerant lines, looks like they run up, run out, so our condensing unit's just going to be sitting right back here. So we're going to replace the refrigerant lines. It's a short run, everything's exposed. They've got a few joints in these refrigerant lines anyways. Chances are they have a refrigerant leak, so we'll just want to make sure we replace the lines. So they go up and out right back there.